Welcome to Brain Vision.
Refer to the circuit shown. What is the power factor? B. What is the average power? And the value of capacitance that will give a unity power factor when connected to the load. And the circuit is the capacitance is connected here. The load Z is equals 10 plus J 12 ohm, and here is the voltage source 120 VRMS with 60 Hertz. Now considering the load of impedance Z, which is equals to 10 plus J12 ohm, here tan theta is equals to 12 by 10. Hence from here theta comes out to be 50.194 degrees. The expression for power factor is equals to cos theta. From here the power factor comes out to be 0.64. Now the expression for complex power S is equals to Vrms square by Z conjugate, and Z conjugate is 10 minus J12. Substituting the values 120 square by 10 minus J12, which will be equals to 590.164 plus J708.196. The average power is the real part of the complex, which is equals to 590.164. What is the average power? Now finding the capacitance, where cos theta 1 will be equals to the power factor 1. From here the theta comes out to be 0 degree. Now the complex part of the complex power is 708.196 watt. Now the expression for the shunt capacitance, C equals QC by omega Vrms square, which is equals to QC by omega, which is equals to 2 pi f Vrms square. Here substitute the values 708.196 divided by 28800 pi into 60. The capacitance will be equals to 130.4 microfarad. This is the value for capacitance, which will give the unity power factor.